Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the FXSSI Trading Sessions Indicator for MT5. Alright, let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Just drag and drop. Of course, you ought to have downloaded the indicator first before you'll be able to use it on your chart, right? Add it to your indicators folder. Okay, here we go. So now the FXSSI Trading Sessions Indicator for MT5 is a visual tool that helps traders clearly see the different Forex market sessions directly on their charts, right? So instead of guessing when major markets are active, the indicator highlights sessions like the Tokyo session, the Sydney session. If you go to the settings, you're going to see you can even decide to turn on or turn off a session, right? The Sydney is currently off. Let's put that on. Okay, you can see the settings, basically modify it according to your taste, right? So you can be able to see the Tokyo session, the Sydney session, the London session, and the New York session, right? So in Forex trading, timing is extremely important because the market behaves differently depending on which session is active. For example, during the Asian session made up of the Tokyo and Sydney, right? The Asian session is typically slower and more range bound, right? While the London session often brings increased volatility and stronger trends. Then talking about the New York session, it can either continue the London trend or reverse it, especially during key economic releases. So this indicator basically simplifies that understanding by marking each session on your chart. You can instantly see when a session starts and ends, all right, which helps you align your strategy with the most active trading periods. So one key advantage is identifying session overlaps, particularly the London-New York, right? The overlap between the London and the New York session, right? So this is often when the market experiences the highest liquidity and movement, making it a popular time for many traders to look for setups. The FXSSI indicator also helps with strategy timing. For example, if your strategy works best in high volatility, you can focus on the London or New York sessions, or maybe the overlap between the London and the New York, right? So if it is based on range trading, the Asian session, right, as the Tokyo and Sydney sessions, might match your trading plan. All right, might be more suitable for you. Another benefit is improved discipline and consistency, right? Instead of trading randomly throughout the day, you can stick to specific sessions that match your trading plan. Overall, the FXSSI Trading Sessions Indicator helps traders understand when the market is most active, when it aligns their trades with session behavior, helps them align their trade with session behavior and improve timing without overcomplicating the analysis. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.